What's up, boys? Appreciate you coming back. It's still gonna be a Honda 3-wheeler, boys, but we ain't done one yet. Good deal. Basically, in the video, we're just gonna get her running, man, get her ripping, get her riding, and we're gonna list her for sale, boys, because it's 4-stroke. Spoiler alert, it's 4-stroke, but you know what? It is clean, and it's one that you guys haven't seen on this channel yet anyways. So get up in there, be sure and like and subscribe, share to your friends, and after this video, jump on that Time Machine ATV's Instagram, give us a follow, because anything we list is going on there first. Shoot, there she blows. Old barn find. In pretty damn good shape, dudes. Original. Let's go get her running and ride it. ATC200S, baby. Slick old 200S. Not gonna be able to plug that, you know what I'm saying? Doubt it very seriously, but we'll see. And I have some tires off of some other ones. Old 200S. Gonna have to fix this pull rope a little bit. Sounds like it has good compression. I'm gonna drag it out here. The fuel tank's full. It's clean though, boys. Look, beautifully clean tank. I'm gonna drag it out here and drain it. Then we're gonna come back and clean the carburetor. We're gonna ride it. You are the screwdriver, boy. Pull it up. Get the carb off. Get it cleaned, and you know, I think it's gonna run. We're gonna see though. Put the seat back on. I'm gonna power wash it real quick, and then we'll take it inside and work it. Okay. Shoot, boys. Washed her up a little bit. Now I'm gonna start working on her. Not too bad.
Not too shabby.
Yeah, she's nice, huh?
Oh, the back tire
clean,
is
boy.
really.
Reagan's the tire man around here. He's gonna do some plugs today, and he's gonna slime them too. You ever slime the tires?
What's a slime? What? How do you
Slime. You use slime like from Nickelodeon.
Oh.
You never seen Nickelodeon slime?
I've seen that.
The
It's
green slime?
It's green slime.
Yeah, you use Nickelodeon slime.
These are better than those. Tires are better.
These damn kids are too young to know what Nickelodeon even is, I think. I tell you what, it's the first nice day we've had in Texas in a while. A couple days at least. It's been gloomy, raining, cold. Whew. Feeling like fall time right now, guys. And I'm determined to ride this. But even if I gotta ride it in wheelies and circles, because it's got a low tire, that's what we're gonna do. What are you gonna do? That's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna get in here, get this air box open, get the shop back out here, get all this old filter out of here and all this caca. Pull the carburetor. Boom, right there. Get it cleaned. The tank I've emptied, put fresh gas in it, make sure it's coming out clear. Not sure if pulling the carb's actually necessary, but this engine's so pretty, we're probably gonna wanna get it clean anyhow. So I mean, pulling the tank's necessary. So we get it off. Makes it a little easier to get in here into these fuel lines and stuff, and we can pull the carb out. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Probably gonna have to wash this thing again because it's filthy under here, and maybe we'll clean this engine up, see how shiny it gets. There's a 10 mil that holds your tank on. Right when you take your seat off, you'll see the 10 mil. Pull it out, lift it up off of here, and pull it backward off of these sliders. She'll come right off. Make sure you have your fuel line cut or undone from the carburetor, because it's the only thing that's connected. Then you hop in on the carburetor and you unscrew this top cap and pull it off, get it out of the way. You unscrew these two 10 mils here. These ones. So you can pull the carb out in a minute. And you unscrew this rubber boot from your air box here. You just loosen this clamp. So next we're gonna pull the carb out this way, take it off, and we'll get to cleaning it. He's gonna pull that real quick because you can't run the bike with that in there. That's nasty.
Nice.
There you go. Buddy. Okay. Oh, you know what?
Yeah.
It's so buried. We need to lift up on this. See? And then back. Otherwise you would have just been pushing it. Here, lift up on that. Lift her up, boy. You got hope? There you go. We're not going to throw that away, but go put this part of it in the trash. before you use it, pick up all these little pieces, okay? Get everything you can out of there by hand, and then we'll shop back it all clean, okay? Dudes, first three-wheeler I ever bought, full disclosure, Honda 185S. The guy, in an attempt to sell me a bum three-wheeler pretty much, you know, it wouldn't start, so he proceeded to pull off the carburetor and show me how to do it. Like, man, it's this easy, dude. These old Hondas, you just got to clean the carburetor on them usually. They're running, so, and it's the truth a lot of the times. That's why I'm always willing to buy a complete three-wheeler that doesn't look like somebody's been tweaking on it or something. So, I'm going to go ahead and pass it on to you guys. A lot of you guys probably already know this, but if you don't, man, you can buy these things for a couple $100. And if you know how to tune them up like this, man, you'll be riding in no time. You'll be making money, styling, profiling like Ric Flair, baby. Woo! You need a kid, you get a kid, right? Neighborhood kid or your kid.
Yeah.
Shot back the boys. Get all that cock out of there now. Every bit of it. All around the corners. There you go. Get all them daubers and stuff, boy. Well, guys, I'm impatient. And this sucker don't want to come out. And I don't want to put it back on with the dirty float. I got this carb off of Amazon. And it was already here. They're about 26 bucks. I'll put the link in the description. I'm going to swap it on for now. If it doesn't run right, then we're going to get back to this. And if you don't know how to clean a carburetor, there's lots of videos of how to do it on the channel. I apologize, you guys, but this thing is not doing it today. And I can't put it in the ultrasonic cleaner because it has rubber in it. So I pretty much, I'm going to end up breaking it, but I'm just going to give it a day with PB Blaster to soften up, and then I'll clean it and I'll give it to the new owner with the bike. But it's going to run good, guys. I'm going to swap this one on. Couple of the bugaboos, guys, you got to watch out for in them Hondas. Simply get on the side of the engine. Make sure it's got oil in it. We can warm her up, ride her around, try and slime these tires, and then we'll get the engine good and hot. We'll change that oil out. Who all riding out? Let's ride out. Does. It's a wheelie machine, guys. See that thump? Get down there by that exhaust and let them hear that thump, folks. We'll try no airbox lid. Okay?
Okay.
Because this carb's bigger. You hear how it sounded? Listen. Hear that?
Yeah.
As you go, you know, you get them going, you patch it up, you get them going. Right, so,
That thing sounds loud.
yeah. That's probably enough. That's like 40 pumps. PSI in it. All right. Come over here. I told Reagan earlier I was draining the tank, and he asked me if I drained the headlight, guys, because it has water in it. This housing's kind of busted. I'm going to preserve this. This first gear. It's a torque machine now. You want to be careful on them because they're three-wheelers. This thing's about 9 weeks. Kind of clock, man. Don't keep doing it. Handers. She's starting to smoke a little bit, but not nothing to be worried about or nothing. It's probably just that 80s oil. Lots of it's thin, and you know, that's one of them. That's one of them. I only run Royal Purple guys owned it, and guys, let's look at this thing for a minute here. He can use a good detail, and I just kind of barely washed it. Put some air in the tires. That one's flat again. got a three-wheeler, it don't even matter if you lose your whole back end. Look, you drive her home like this, boy. You get her home. You only need two wheels, really. The back two or the side two. And you're in business. I don't know why everybody trips. Well, you guys, it can't all be perfect, damn it. I mean, hopefully tomorrow this tire will magically fix itself and I won't have to order tires on Monday morning. Other than that, the smoking, man, it's just super cold. I told you today was cold today. Probably has too much oil in it or something. That's all. Too much oil, if anything. Look at Ray going. He liked it. Hop on it. You can pull it in the shop. Go down one. Hey, park it over there by the big red. Don't hit nothing. I wanted to show you guys how to clean the carburetor today. Unfortunately, it's not happening because I told a story earlier. Basically, my first three-wheeler that I bought, the first carb I ever cleaned, Honda 185S. I got there and it wouldn't run. The guy said it. He's like, oh, you just got to clean the carburetor. And I figured, oh, that's what, yeah. That's what they all probably say. And he's like, no, here, I'll show you how to do it. Did it in about 10 minutes. Thing was up, riding, ripping around, smoking like this one. But hey, that little bit of knowledge goes a long way. So guys, I'm going to do a video on Tuesday, How To Tuesday, fully in depth on carburetors. You guys get up in there. I'm going to post it. And it's going to be the start of How To Tuesdays, guys. First thing is going to be carburetors, tuning them, identifying them, seeing how they work and everything else. Got this thing running good. I can't help the fact that it smokes right now. What are you going to do? Appreciate it. Time Machine ATVs on Instagram. She'll be for sale by tomorrow afternoon. Reagan got up in there. I got up in there. Did you get up in there, boy?
Yeah, I got up in there.
Did you have fun riding it?
A little bit.
Well, there she is, dudes. New tires all around. And Austin ends up thinking he might want to buy it, so we'll see. Ooh-wee. You know, all the dogs are barking and everything. Let's go. Look at these two over here while I'm trying to work. I'm riding now. He seen me riding it earlier. Now he's gonna make a fool of himself, guys. He's chasing willies. He almost is. I mean, it smells like it.
Yeah. It runs good, you know?
Yeah. Blew it. Had to blow it. Flooded it. Killed it. No, now that we're on camera, you tell them you bought a three-wheeler for $400 one time, so you think I should sell you this for... You want to make a real offer? $350. You know what, dude? I'm going to keep my Honda. You know what? Forget this guy. I'm out of here. Austin, dude! It was just warm earlier. Pinner. You got pinner to winner. Out here editing these videos, seeing if I want to rebuild this Banshee or not. I don't know, guys. I'm thinking about it, but thinking about selling it too. Oh, boys, building an exhaust for this old 350X. Something like that's gonna have to go on, get her to mate up with this original piece, and then we got a new muffler for it. Sweet header for a 400EX we modified to make fit. Just had to turn around a little bit. We'll fill that in. Some weld or something, maybe some JB. Shoot, slap a tack on her, boys. We'll get her filled up. Let's get you a look at this top 10 list, boys. Top 10 subscribers. Appreciate you guys. Get up in there, dudes. All you got to do to get on that list is comment on all the videos we post for the month. And then it's pretty much a free-for-all from there. But if you comment on every video for the month, you in the running. Pretty much separate yourself, man. You can share these videos, jump on Time Machine ATV's Instagram, and get up in that merch shop, timemachines.shop. Appreciate you guys, dude. This 350X is coming up this week. Should be done.